Hi everyone, it's Andy Polk again, back from the Leather Show here in Hong Kong. I'm with Sergio Dulio, who is one of the managing directors at ATOMLab, which really works on kind of robotics and production. So what's happening with that, Sergio?
We are investigating how automation and robotics can be applied to the current way of manufacturing shoes. We anticipate some of the future trends as we did this year, showing how factories will be compacted to be installed within shops.
So we're looking at retail shops eventually having some form of factory, mini factory in them.
That's basically what we will be talking about today, and it's a vision, it's a possibility. Shops which become factories, or factories that invade shops.
So that actually would be a great experience in-store brick and mortar that would kind of bring people back in.
That is the purpose behind that, in fact, or at least our assumption or hope. Let's see what happens.
Great. Thank you, Sergio.
Thank you, Andy.